What are we seeing on the ground now when it comes to implementing this?
Yeah, absolutely. We're seeing a lot of directives, especially from local governments, on easing the business environment for foreign firms. Chambers of commerce here have told us that their meetings with, local governments, parts of the Chinese ministries have really just increased recently as there's this push to try to make, the investment environment better. Of course, we saw that record, 188 billion exodus from Chinese stocks and bonds, from that December peak in 2021. So there has been sort of all these efforts. The biggest one is, of course, that 24-point plan. This is, another thing that local governments are doing to try to make it easier for foreign firms to do business.
Do you think it's going to work? I mean, in terms of how effective this sort of loosening could be, could it, or could it actually even lead to more outflows?
This in particular is something that's more, getting rid of the red tape. It is a reiteration of sort of overall policies that China has. But of course, we know that on the ground, to move money in and out, it can be extremely arduous, and you have to submit a lot of documents, and the process can be long. So I think this is a sign that they are trying to make that process a bit smoother. Maybe it hasn't been as smooth as they had expected, things should be. It's, I think, especially when people talk about those 24 points from the State Council, they do express some optimism, although they say that these are basically things that they've been talked about for years and years and years. And so now we've seen sort of one of those 24 points come to fruition. And 23 more to go.